Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And back out here with this guy again. Comes in a really nice carrying case / storage case. And this time I have the 550 pack on there, 2 of them, because this takes 2 batteries. So I wanted to try and see if this 550 pack fit, and it does fit. And so now we're going to see how it flies with the 550. And also, the last time I flew this guy, I was having a problem with washout. And so, hold on. The last time I flew this guy, I was having some issues with washout when doing dives and power loops and split S's. And after I ended the video and I took this thing in the house and got ready to put it back in the case, I realized that one of the props on this guy were upside down. What happened was my friend was flying this thing and he crashed it, I guess, and the prop popped off and he put the prop back on upside down. And so I didn't notice that I was flying with a prop that was upside down on this guy yesterday in the previous video. And so I'm going to fly this guy again. I actually didn't upload the last video, and so if this guy flies better than it did with the prop upside down and doesn't have those washout issues, then I probably just won't upload that last video. You'll just be seeing this video. So let's get this guy up in the air, y'all. Came with the goggles and all. Let me show you the goggles again, and just in case I might not show you guys the other video. So the goggles do have a record function on it. That's the on and off switch there. It has a USB Type-C socket there to charge this thing. It has an internal battery, and it's a box goggle, of course. And it's pretty comfortable, not too heavy, pretty light. And it also came with a transmitter here from Betafpv, and this guy here is Express LRS, and so pretty awesome connection with it and all. Has the setup button there, the bind button. I'm not sure what the setup button is for. We have a 3.5mm headphone jack, I believe that is, and we also have that USB Type-C for charging this thing. And this little light controller also has a micro module bay, so that's pretty awesome. You can fly other protocols on here if you have a little module. You slap it in the module bay there. It has a lanyard hook right there. Didn't come with a lanyard strap or anything. Came with a bunch of accessories and all, including the USB Type-C, some extra props. We have a prop removal tool in there. We also have 2 batteries that it came with, and this thing also has an extra set of props. And I believe there's something else in there. These are some other Betafpv batteries in here. Check it out. This is their Lava brand of battery. High voltage pack. But let's get this guy up in the air, y'all. Got my son Adam out here. I have to plug this guy up. Okay, let's see if we can get a good flight going. Hit record in here. And let's get it. kind of windy out here. Let's do an afro. Sheesh. It went crazy on me.
You almost fell.
Yeah, I gained control of it though. Let's see if we can do a power loop now. Sheesh, the wind is really blowing with this guy. Okay, it power loops with no problem now.
That's so high. No,
Sheesh. The breakup is bad, y'all. I just had to punch out and hope that I didn't hit the trees. Try to get up over everything.
hey, yes, so.
And this wind isn't helping either, y'all. Woo, right between that. We banged out right here. My son right there, Adam. Let's see if we can take off with it again. The wind blew me right into everything. I don't like the video quality. I have 400 mega. Sheesh, I have 400 megawatts. I have 400 milliwatts. I'm saying megawatts. 400 milliwatts of transmitting power with the video, and it's still breaking up a lot. Yeah, it's breaking up bad. Hey, let me see something. Whoa. Yeah, I can't really fix this breakup. The antenna is up and everything in the optimal position. I'm just not confident flying this guy close to any of the trees or anything. As a matter of fact, let me bring this guy in angle mode. Bring it back in angle mode. The wind is blowing hard. Sheesh, I'm leaned all the way back trying to not get blown into anything. Put it on the table for me, Adam. Okay, so that was a quick flight with this guy. Didn't have any of the issues that I had with it as far as it having the washout. I think all of that was caused by that prop being upside down here. But the video was breaking up really bad, y'all.
Yeah.
Really not a good experience flying this guy with all that breakup in the video, even on 400 milliwatts. It's just not, maybe it's the goggles, I'm not sure. We are dealing with this little bipolar antenna there.
Yeah, I really like that. It's really small.
I think that this guy is going to be ideal to be flying it out in an open space, maybe out at the park, not too many trees and all, not too many obstacles to fly around, whatnot, to come between you and the line of sight of this thing, because you're going to get a whole bunch of breakup. But suitable for beginners, if you ask me. I think it's an awesome deal. Hope you guys are enjoying your week. Thanks for watching.